Introducing the 76 Collection Slim Frame Window, open at a 90-degree angle. Function as an egress window, providing a safe and easy exit in case of emergencies. With its slim profile and innovative features, this window offers a seamless blend of elegance and functionality. Limited opening angle, microventilation, and secure lock, keeping your baby safe and comfortable at home. Featuring high insulation, excellent water resistance, and exceptional airtightness. They ensure your home remains comfortable and energy efficient all year round. Worried about maintenance? Don't be. Cleaning and maintenance are a breeze with its user-friendly design. This window have undergone rigorous testing. They have successfully passed the AAMA test and hold NFRC certification, guaranteeing their reliability and performance.